But just look at the changing equations. The changing equations are very evident. Last night, a meeting called by the Prime Minister, they get into a huddle. Mamata Banerjee's camp keeps giving all the signals that Dinesh Trivedi is going to go. But this morning, an unfazed government makes a statement in Parliament saying no resignation has been given, no resignation has been received.
Yeah.
And that's the way it's going to be as the budget process goes on.
But look at it from the point of view of the left. Mr. D. Raja will have to concede that both the Congress and Mamata Banerjee look very good in their respective constituencies. Mr. D. Raja, the Congress looks good because it has decided to be tough and assert itself, right? Mamata Banerjee will look good because she will be seen to be a person who is willing to give up power if required to fight for the poor people in this country.
I
right?
do not.
Do you disagree with that?
I do not think so. Either Congress or TMC cannot continue this politicking for a long time. The Congress-led UPA 2 government suffers from certain fundamental weaknesses. This coalition does not have a common minimum program. This coalition does not have a steering committee or coordination committee. Congress party, whether it takes the allies into confidence or not...
Mr. Raja, the Mamata Banerjee will be giving up power on an issue that the people of this country are concerned about. Not on the nuclear deal, which is an issue which you pulled out, which none of the people in this country identify with. You have to concede, she's fighting a mass issue. You fought for a very niche issue. You fought for an ideological issue, not a mass issue.
Let her take your advice. Let her give up the power. Let me see where she goes.
No, I'm not giving advice. I don't know whether she's going to give up power. She hasn't so far.
Unless it happens, I do not want to comment upon that. Politics is not that simple.
You don't think it will happen? You doubt?
I
doubt it will happen? You think this is drama? If this happens tomorrow, you will accept this was not drama, she was genuine?
No, let it happen. Why should I assume things that those will happen in such a manner? Let it happen. I will face the reality as it is.
No. Well, since I'm being accused tonight of hypothetical situations and putting out, all kinds of strange situations, when Chandan Mitra knows that as such a senior journalist, I'm not going to respond back to him on that one. But I would also like to tell Chandan Mitra that all journalists revel, including Chandan Mitra, in hypothetical situations and conspiracy theories. When Chandan Mitra wears his other hat, and I can assure you, and he's smiling now, he knows that he will have more conspiracy theories and hypotheses than me. I'm going to go to Kumi and then come back to you, Hartosh. Kumi, what do you think? Has a bluff been called?
I don't call it a blush, and unlike you, I'm not so sanguine that this tussle is over and that the Congress is victorious. Seeing the Congress's record of political mismanagement, there's a long way to go in what's actually happened.
Maybe they've got their act together.
I would doubt it from past records. And look at it this way, what is Mamata, she's not going to sit back and she may allow Dinesh Trivedi to continue till the railway budget is passed, but not after that.
Yeah.
So it will still be a victory of sorts for her that she gets the removal of the minister she didn't want. Whether Shankarshan said
the question is not the removal, the question
whether
is when.
her choice. Yeah, but there are just a few days to go for the railway budget.
No, but it doesn't happen as soon as she snaps her fingers, and that's the big question. Her party man, her decision to remove him.
That's a minor matter, I would say. She's still calling the shots in the sense
I think Kumi is right.
It remains to be seen whether her choice will be the next railway minister or not.
Sankarshan, yes, Sankarshan.
I'm saying Kumi is right. Dinesh Trivedi has to go. And I think the Congress is going to try and drag it as far as possible to sort of gain brownie points. But Dinesh Trivedi has to go. That is coalition dharma.
The question is not has to go, Sankarshan. The question is when does he go? The Congress party wants him to go after 2 weeks. By that time it's safe. It has bought time. Right?
I think it has been made clear to the Trinamool Congress. I think it has been made clear to the Trinamool Congress that a new railway minister cannot be inducted while the Parliament session is on. That can only happen in the intercession period.
Very interesting. Hartosh, I'm coming back to you. I'm going to give a last word to Chandan Mitra. Ravi Shankar Prasad joining us in 2 minutes on the other side. Yes, Chandan Mitra. Yes, please.
The thing to watch is who is going to announce the rollback of some passenger fares, particularly for the lower class passenger fares. Now that is the real issue. Now, if Mr. Dinesh Trivedi remains the railway minister and has to announce the rollback as minister before the cut motion is moved, I think that is the deciding point. Then we will know which way things are actually moving.
I agree with you on that.
And you know, that is, I think that is what the big test for the Prime Minister is. Will he force Mr. Trivedi to announce and roll back his own budget? Now, I think...
No, the question is, you know, so everybody is so busy, Chandan Mitra, talking about Mamta Banerjee, we forgot the issue. The issue is a rollback.
Yes.
Even D. Raja cannot disagree today. You actually asked D. Raja, and D. Raja will be the first person to say, on the issue, I agree with Mamta Banerjee. Don't you? Don't you agree?
No, now the budget has been presented. It has become the property of the House. Whether Mr. Dinesh...
No, you are avoiding the question.
No, I am not avoiding. Whether Mr. Dinesh remains as minister or not, it is not the issue. The issue is the budget. It is not the question of Mamta Banerjee taking a stand on far hike. Even we have taken a stand. It is because when she was the railway minister, railways went
you are not taking a position.
I am
taking, you are dodging the issue.
I am taking the position. Independent of what Mamta Banerjee does, the left has its own position. Left will move cut motions. We will demand the government to roll back certain things. It is our prerogative. So independent of what others do, left will have its position. Don't link it with others.
At this, I agree. No, please. See, sir, the question is, I know, I said yesterday that if you actually have a vote in the Lok Sabha on how many people are with Mamta Banerjee, sir, you may find it surprising that except the 205 or 206 MPs of the Congress party, everybody may be with Mamta Banerjee. She may have a resounding majority of her own because she's picked up that kind of an issue. It's not the nuclear deal issue. She's picked up a mass issue. You have to give her credit on that. Chandan Mitra, I'm going to have to let you go. But thank you very much. Look forward to having you on a budget debate tomorrow. No, sir, please. On the issue, you are with Mamta Banerjee.
The issue becomes issue because Mr. Dinesh Trivedi
Chandan Mitra, please
is TMC man. And the TMC man presenting railway budget, TMC chief Mamta Banerjee opposing the railway budget. That is the issue. But other issues...
No, I have a question. I want to know if the Trinamool Congress has answer to this question. Hartosh Singh Bal, welcome. Sorry to keep you waiting.
All right.
Now, here's one question to you, Ms. Dastidar.
Yeah. Done.
My charge, Mr. Chandan Mitra, please stay 2 minutes. My charge against, my question here to the Trinamool Congress is that I think there is a certain level of hypocrisy in your position. And I'll tell you why. You have a completely different position with regards to the Aam Aadmi when you have a different situation. In West Bengal, is it true or not that on the 7th of March, electricity tariff in your own state was increased by 20%? Calcutta Electricity Supply Corporation homes, their rate has gone up from 5.19 to almost 6 rupees per unit. It has been put to effect retrospectively. Please tell me, am I making up these facts, Ms. Dastidar? Which means that an average household will pay almost 5,000 rupees more every month. I'm talking of an average household. Please tell the people of this country, Ms. Dastidar, why you have one logic when it comes to the Aam Aadmi in your own state and one logic when it comes to the Aam Aadmi and when you are doing this grandstanding with the centre. Do you remember the Aam Aadmi only when it comes to using the Aam Aadmi to put pressure on the central government? Please give me a straight answer to that one.
You see, you have to be conversant with the state of West Bengal, the state of affairs in West Bengal before you can make such comment. One is that the Calcutta Electric Corporation does not belong to the state. It is not state owned, it is private owned. And secondly, you are saying that about hypocrisy. Possibly, Mamta Banerjee is the only one person in the whole world who cannot be called a hypocrite. You might call her anything else you want.
Let me tell you,
but whatever she says,
I am completely conversant.
Whatever she does, she does it openly.
And I am completely aware that the hike in electricity tariff in West Bengal was given by an order issued not by the Sanjeev Goenka Group company, but by the West Bengal State Electricity Regulatory Commission.
Of course.
It is the West Bengal State Electricity Regulatory Commission which allows the private power utility to increase.
My question is, you have one logic
when it comes to the Aam Aadmi in Calcutta.
And you have one logic when it comes to the Aam Aadmi outside. The previous government has given the electricity to a private person. Secondly, the previous person has
explain why your state electricity commission allows a hike in your own state.
Our government, the government of West Bengal at the moment, has a debt of 3,000 crores on their head.
Well,
Every
that's the
month,
same.
you know,
One second,
every person in the
Make that this side. Make that this
has
side.
21,000 rupees on his head. And the center is not giving us any moratorium for grant.
By
And
Mamata
it is very
Banerjee,
difficult for us.
that
But Mamata
Dinesh
Banerjee cannot be
Trivedi
called
said
a
railways are in
hypocrite.
ICU,
Whatever she says
and he
on
had
the
to get
face.
them out of that.
Our agenda is for the poor
Mamata
people,
Banerjee
and we do not
railway finances.
fall trap to whatever you want
That's
to
why
say.
Dinesh Trivedi has
But
to
if
bring
you
him out.
say
And it's not
that the
just-
Congress
No, one
government
second.
is
One second. I have
giving
raised
us
the
a
point
bluff,
of order here tonight.
then it is your
I'm raising an
story.
issue
We
here
don't know
tonight.
anything about it.
No, I am raising an issue here tonight. Ma'am, it's not my story. You can pick up the Calcutta papers of the 7th of March.
I know.
And you will find out what
I
a
know what you are
13%
saying.
hike has been allowed by the Calcuttas, by the West. My question is, you want to use the Aam Aadmi. You want to use the Aam Aadmi card when it comes to putting pressure at the center. Please tell the people of Calcutta
There
who
is
are
a
watching
difference.
tonight.
The
Are the people of Calcutta
know
not the Aam
Mamata
Aadmi?
Banerjee. You know, whatever
Are the
you
people
do,
of Calcutta not the Aam
whatever
Aadmi
you
who are
do
going to pay
sitting
so
here
much
in
more?
Delhi. Let me tell you, whatever you do sitting here in Delhi, you cannot shake the confidence
it's not
of
Delhi,
the people
it's
of West Bengal for Mamata
Ma'am, you
Banerjee.
tell me,
They have voted us
is
to
the
power,
electricity
and
user
they
in
are
Kolkata
going to
not
give
the
her
Aam
opportunity
Aadmi?
to prove her mettle. She is not a hypocrite.
Ma'am, when I asked
It
you
is
the question
other
about why
parties
you
who
are allowing a rise in
You
electricity
remember the
tariff,
story of the
you
Tiger
said that
Clause
it
and
is economic
Shivaji.
reasons.
That is what is happening here.
No,